Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to make a rechargeable styrofoam or thermocol cutter using ice cream stick, 18650 battery and a few other components. You can even make use of your old mobile battery for powering this. Children with age above 5 can also use this with less supervision. All the components used here are available in local market. The one we are making is very handy to use. If you are cutting the thermocol with a knife or hacksaw blade, then tiny dust particles of thermocol will fall in desktop and floor, which are allergic to some people and also some very tough for cleaning. But by using this tool for cutting, there will not be any powder falling from thermocol. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. This is stick ice cream I bought from my nearby bakery. I have bought two types of stick ice cream, big one and medium one. Big one has taken by my kit and I got medium one. Let's start taking this. You can see the handle, and this handle we are going to reuse for making the thermocol cutter. This stick will be the frame of our thermocol cutter. We will fix all other components on this stick. We are using 3 medium stick and 1 big stick. The frame we are going to make will be like this. This is the battery we are going to use here. First we have to put 2 holes at the top of each of the ice cream stick. Then you need 2 screws and 6 nuts. We have to fix the screws in the hole we have made. For easiness, I used the screwdriver to put the hole in it, but at the end the stick has broken. So never try this for putting the hole in the stick. Using a driller with a slow speed will be a better idea. If you have any suggestion, please comment on this video. Positive comments and negative comments are appreciated. Positive comments tells me that I am doing correctly, and negative comments will help me improving myself. So kindly write comments on this video. This is the charging module of 18650 lithium-ion battery. We are using this module only for charging, and for powering the tool we are directly drawing from the battery. This is because charging module will deliver at the most 1 ampere to the load, but we need nearly 1.2 ampere for the operation. I will add the buying link of this module in the description box. This module is available easily in cheap rate from your local market too. Do not charge the lithium-ion battery directly. You must do it through this module only. Instead of using this 18650 battery, you can make use of your old mobile's battery. Also for charging, you can use the same charging module. I have tested more than 30 minutes continuous usage and still battery has 3.7 volt. That means it can be used more. We are using nichrome wire for heating purpose. This nichrome wire is available in all the electrical shops and electronic shops. Even I have seen this in some supermarket too. Anyway, I will add the buying link in the description box. The length of the nichrome wire we are using is exactly same length of the medium ice cream stick. Switch the tool on until you cut and completely remove the thermocol from the nichrome wire, else it will become dry and will not come out from the nichrome wire, just like this. If you like this video, please click like button and also share this video among your friends. Now only I realized we need an LED indicator for this tool. Else if we forgot to switch it off, then the nichrome wire will be hot and may burn our skin if we touches on it accidentally. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.